Welcome to Yes Kid Educational Channel.
Hi, how are you?
I am fine. How about you?
I am good. What is your name?
My name is Lily.
Where are you going?
I am going to school.
What class are you in?
I am in class 3.
Do you like school?
Yes, I like my school.
Who is your best friend?
My best friend is Anna.
Do you play games?
Yes, I play games.
Which game do you like most?
I like cricket.
Do you play outside?
Yes, I play outside every day.
What time do you wake up?
I wake up at 7 o'clock.
Who helps you at home?
My mother helps me.
Do you do your homework?
Yes, I do my homework.
Is your teacher kind?
Yes, my teacher is very kind.
What do you do after school?
I do my homework.
Are you happy today?
Yes, I am happy.
Why are you happy?
Because I am with you.
Do you help your parents?
Yes, I help them.
What do you do on Sunday?
I play and relax.
Do you like rain?
Yes, I like rain.
What do you wear in winter?
I wear a sweater.
Do you share your things?
Yes, I share.
Are you a good student?
Yes, I am a good student.
Do you listen to your teacher?
Yes, I listen carefully.
What makes you laugh?
Funny jokes make me laugh.
Do you like your friends?
Yes, I like my friends.
What is your favorite day?
My favorite day is Friday.
Do you help your classmates?
Yes, I help them.
Can you speak English?
Yes, a little.
Do you practice English daily?
Yes, I practice daily.
What do you want to be?
I want to be a doctor.
Do you love your family?
Yes, I love my family.
What is your favorite toy?
My favorite toy is a car.
Do you clean your room?
Yes, I clean my room.
Are you ready for school?
Yes, I am ready.
Do you say good morning?
Yes, every morning.
Are you tired?
No, I am fine.
What did you eat today?
I ate a sandwich.
Do you like milk?
Yes, I like milk.
Do you have a pet?
Yes, I have a dog.
What is your pet's name?
My pet's name is Max.
Do you like cartoons?
Yes, I love cartoons.
Which cartoon is your favorite?
My favorite cartoon is Tom and Jerry.
Do you like dancing?
Yes, I like dancing.
What is your hobby?
My hobby is drawing.
Do you like reading books?
Yes, I like reading books.
Do you like ice cream?
Yes, I love ice cream.
Which flavor do you like?
I like chocolate flavor.
What is your favorite food?
My favorite food is pizza.
Can you ride a bicycle?
Yes, I can ride a bicycle.
Do you say thank you?
Yes, always.
Will you talk to me again?
Yes, we will talk again. Thanks for watching. For watching more educational videos, please find the link given in the description box and subscribe to our channel.